Previously I talked about how to create a border for your image using the grow function. Today I'm going to talk about the border function. First, select your image and right-click on it. Select Alpha to Selection and you'll see a moving selection border appear. Then go to the Select menu and choose Border. Here you can choose the width of the border. Narrow is usually better in my opinion. You can also select whether or not you want it to be a hard, smooth or feathered border. Click OK and you'll get a selected border around your object. You can now fill this border with a colour. So select the paint pot, make sure the right colour is selected as foreground and click between the two border lines. You may have to enlarge the image here to see what you're doing. And there you have it, your image with a border that's attached to the image. Obviously this will be difficult to delete later if you decide you don't want it, as it's attached to the image. If you think you might want to delete it, you should probably use the grow function instead. Find out about that in this video here.